Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at Uniview's SMBOX01-R-US Smart Management Box, our product of the month here at PAM Distributing. If you're an installer, integrator, or just looking to simplify your surveillance setups, this box is designed to make your life a whole lot easier. At first glance, the SMBOX01-R-US may look like just another power enclosure, but it's so much more. Inside you've got an integrated system: server, smart power module, fan, heater, warning light, and power distribution, all packed into one clean box. That means less wiring, less equipment, and less hassle. Just to clarify, this product is the box itself. You can customize it by adding the cameras or other devices of your choice, depending on your setup needs. One of my favorite features is the remote management. Using the Uniview app or cloud platform, you can monitor system status, receive alerts, and even reboot devices, all without being on site. That's a game changer for integrators handling multiple client locations. The SMBOX01-R-US is also built for reliability. It can automatically detect when a device goes offline and restart it, saving you time, money, and a trip from your installer. You can also manually reset PoE ports remotely for cameras, speakers, or other devices. And to keep everything safe, it includes surge protection, circuit breakers, and built-in software protection against lightning or overcurrent. Installation is super straightforward thanks to the pre-wired internal cabling. No more hours of messy wiring, just mount it, connect, and you're ready to go. In short, the SMBOX01-R-US is all about simplicity, reliability, and control. Whether you're deploying a new camera system, upgrading PoE devices, or managing multiple sites, this smart management box gives you everything you need in one enclosure. If you'd like to learn more or order the SMBOX01-R-US, visit us at pamdist.com, give us a call at 800-888-8101, or stop by at our Tulsa headquarters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and security solutions.